Babe, what in the hell did you get now?
Look, you can't be mad, but I got us a frozen drink slushy maker for this summer.
That'll be nice having frozen adult drinks by the pool.
My exact thoughts exactly. You'll never guess where I got this thing at.
That's expensive.
I mean, a little bit, but as fast as it just made this slushy, I think it's worth it.
Wow, I'm excited to try it. What did you put in there?
Right now it's just like a Pepsi, cherry Pepsi.
That'll be good.
Yeah, so we got cherry Pepsi slushies going on. I'm about to try it out. Oh yeah.
That'll be so good.
Me and Bub's about to go ham on this slushy machine.
Look, he's already coming in.
I told you. For anybody interested in a slushy maker at home, I'll leave you a link down below. Look at this thing. Look at that.
That looks so good.
Oh my gosh.